Unboxing this action camera. So this one is a Kaiser Baas X450. So here are the features. So real 4K 30 frames per second action camera, pro stabilization at 14 megapixels, 2-inch touch screen, time lapse and slow motion. So here's the side. So showing here the same features that I told you the front, but this one is showing a UHD, Ultra HD, burst mode, and 40-meter waterproof with the included case. So it comes with the included case for waterproofing. So smartphone app. So the back, so you can see here, captures your adventures in crystal clear 4K. Then specifications. So f2.8 7G lens, 160 degrees FOV, Sony sensor, MOV video, and micro SD. So micro SD is not included, so I need to purchase one, so I don't have it right now. So it also comes with included accessories, so I hope this one is everything inside. So now open this box. So where should I? So probably there's a tape here. Open. So damage the box. It's not easy. Try another way. Try a ruler, probably. Yeah, that's the way. Unfortunately, I rip a little bit, but it's okay. And pull it out. So here is it. So just try to check this out. So probably this the some manuals, quick start guide. I'll read this one later on. Then here's the case. Let's open this. So it comes with the accessories. So it's some mount accessories. So this one show you, and then straps. So this is my first action camera, so I'm not really familiar with all these accessories, so I can figure out later on. Some like a tripod mount. 1, 2. The charging cable. So another mount. Looks like similar to this but different size. Then yeah, different mount. So we'll read through the manual then to check for the function of each. Okay, and here is the camera. I want to know how to remove this thing. Yeah, it comes with the like a waterproof case. So first time to open this, so probably this one, and release this from the front, so you can just pull this up. So there's a spring latch, then you can open this. Okay, so you can take out the camera. Yeah, okay, so here's the camera. So this is the lens. I still have a plastic then also the LCD, then there's a charging port and also the micro SD port. Okay, probably this one is for the battery. Okay, yeah, and there's a flap here, and pull out the battery. Let's see. So the information about the battery. Then so KB original battery, 3.7 volts. Okay, to put it back, so make sure it is aligned on this part, and also that one. Push down, then yeah, make sure all the way in. Then it's closed. Then it should be ready. So I will charge this one. By the way, there's a up and down arrow here on the side. And okay, so I'll charge this one, then probably will do some test videos later on. Okay, that's it. So this is unboxing of Kaiser Baas X450. Thank you for watching.